My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the new browser hijacker that is called Awesome Searches. The developers of this service indicate that by actually installing this extension called Awesome Searches, you'll be able to get some better search results based on Bing Lightning Fast Search Engine. But the point is that this particular hijacker is often spread through integration with some free applications, and in many cases customers download and install it pretty unintentionally. So if you have found that awesomesearches.com has somehow become the part of your Google Chrome browser, you should definitely undertake the measures and get rid of this browser hijacker as soon as possible. This is the way you can do it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here in place, disable and delete them. We also recommend researching the system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats that could possibly remain on your computer. So get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and carefully investigating your system with its help to detect and remove all other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.